kumakain siya ni meatball film đi channel chưa sẽ bay time cái siya si siya is tell it is na this no with the details of a bs so may bia so happy so guys so em muốn cho ni let part of the big no bia bs baby as you turn I'm it cho first đi khai phải đi với skin bia so mấy anh nhá cái vị trí preference sẽ liên thì mình mong bị sâu nên on đây này thì I know about tôi vào if he don't do that or if I will tell told or whatever this no please but we'll see about but for now the solution is so yeah so the point won't be much blocked to this button but I'll try to make it a good flower of here so yeah because it's now the one in morning it is now we have to 10 now oh yeah and it's kind of basically clearing my laundry for the weekend so yeah so yeah I also check the weather forecast to see when the snow is going in yeah and of course the tourist said it's not going in until the 13th yeah but of course it was so now the afternoon is to some snow flurries yeah but I mean once the snow does start down or stop we'll have to get something in it because the cloudy is bulk but yeah so all over yeah so this one is here but yeah but yeah but I be looking at stuff now little here or trade them so so I can put go to a dad's to and I'll also hand back to his school for whiskey good on it so yeah so mấy yeah but I'll be inside under the snow oh yeah but yeah so mấy yeah right looks like I like my socks already weird okay so yeah so I'll put two of these over here yeah and okay nope no I'm only talking a little bit weird oh yeah but yeah but we'll keep my focus on I mean these nowadays and we do end up going out selling though oh yeah but yeah but for now Alex gonna be in house all day, but yeah. So yeah. So yeah, but yeah. So oh well, but yeah. Did we one of those snow days on and sunny evenings? So yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, just so good. What we should put away and that's it. Oh yeah. Way on. It's just so good. Everything put away now. So we'll talk to you guys the auntie. Oh, you guys is now Leon in the afternoon now. It's now just at the 10 after 3 now. Yeah, and it's still snowing pretty good. As though yeah, it was just a lots of snowstorm out though. But yeah, so yeah, so Leon, we are back in the room now, and I'm give myself set book on yes it's vlog oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah. So overall the rest of the days were good though. None was like to report though. Yeah. Yep. I didn't. I just relaxed though. But yeah. Yeah. And I do got to update on when the slow be set to slow down and stop. Oh yeah. And turns out that it is going to end by about 8 or 9 p.m. today. But yeah, but it be set to start to slow down later this the afternoon though. But yeah, but yeah, but we we should be having here, but yes, but yeah. But anyway, I'm we don't get to clear he he's driving before I chat with he'll pick me up and then and then go to his place this you know but yeah but you gotta help mom with shoveling this evening as well though. But yes, so yeah. But on the way looks at therapy when the snow slows down or winds. But yeah, so so looks at that'll probably be later this evening though. But yeah, so well yeah, and the street snowplow truck hadn't even noticed solar period either. So oh well, but well yeah, but yeah. It's but either way um and as for it's good for he in I him really can and he actually from the for the program see even closed for you but yeah but either way I'll probably know I the see know or 12 months but yeah so yeah but yeah but hopefully the road will be clear by early 12 months though but yeah or at least late though but yeah so we'll see though but yeah but oh well but yeah at least one is we're definitely into the hardware now so yeah if somebody is for the past 2 decades had a listening to April, so so who knows? If this winter will last to April or not? But yeah, but who knows? But yeah, but already enough of that though. Because I'm looking to working on the vlog now. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell me name. But yeah, so yes, so probably multi choice in choice vlogging choice world vlogging I say, but yeah. So probably we'll talk to you guys Leonte or three guys when I'm getting myself set for bed and hopefully by then I'll have an update on this whole situation and and the school situation whether it'll be going ahead for now, but I hope it will though. But we'll see though. But yeah. Okay, guys, it's Wrestling Nighttime now, and yeah, and as you told me bit said Wrestling for another night though. Oh yes, so but yeah. So overall, it was good. We actually mentioned the day though. Oh yeah, yeah, of course, yeah, and I did get elected for the school earlier this evening after 7 seeing that the school be closed to 12 because of the snow and the snow clearing process oh yeah, but hopefully everything will be all clean by Tuesday for and everything will be open up again. But yeah, so oh yeah, but yes, and on that, me and mom watched something earlier this evening, and my mom's still out there, though, oh yeah, yep, and of course, yeah, and and we're hoping to have someone, oh, snowplow it, or or snowblow the driveway, 12, but we'll see, but for now, this is what we're left with. Oh yes, but yeah, and on that I should be back over to that towards some point hopefully if both the drivers get cleared and the modes get clear for two, but yeah, but we'll see, but of course the troll will be initially then three nonetheless though, but yeah, so but yeah, beyond that the streak is now nearly over well pretty much over now so we do got the another long week though, but yeah, so man, but just hope everyone enjoy the weekend or long weekend uh, on the east coast of New Zealand. Oh yeah, yeah, and meanwhile on the east coast of the USA, there's a blizzard that's affecting or there's already affected New York City and Boston and all those places, and of course no Nova Scotia next. But yes, so yeah, so hope everyone hunkers down on the blizzard though. But yeah, but at least it won't be a blizzard here though. But yeah, because once the system comes here, it'll be a snow turned to a rain system. Oh yeah, and there'll be fast movers this week though. But yeah, so that's good, everybody. So yeah. But anyway, for now, that's all I want to talk about those. So I just hope you guys enjoy this at home vlog on the Snowstorm, yeah, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow mid-morning my skin don't the calm of the stone in by so over and out.